Hi, welcome back to Kiwi Wanderers, coming to you from Melbourne, Australia. In this video, we're going to give you a look at one of the biggest RV shows in the Southern Hemisphere.
Yeah, we'll discover some great innovations like 48-volt Caravan electrics, a solar awning, some new security devices, and a new revolutionary toilet system.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
Okay, so we zipped over to Melbourne for a week with two things on our list. One was to attend the Caravan show and two was to go shopping.
No. Number two, the second thing is an escorted tour of the Jayco factory with our cameras. I think there will need to be a separate video.
And shopping?
We'll see.
So we were staying close to the centre of Melbourne CBD. Getting to the show was very easy.
Yeah, you just have to love the Melbourne public transport system. It's fantastic. We purchased their My Colleague card and used it every day while we're here.
A bit of a tip for the show though, there are no gate sales, so you need to purchase your tickets online.
Of course, I've had ours for months.
Of course you have. Once inside, it was just huge. We were told there were 1,100 caravans parked up at the show. Just imagine the logistics of actually getting them in there. We wandered around, and of course we got lost.
Yeah. Now, I'm no expert, but
No,
it looked like there were two distinct classes of vans. Fully Aussie vans, which is a huge thing over here, or Chinese vans that are assembled or modified for the Aussie market. The Chinese vans are cheaper, but you can sort of tell.
Anyway, there are so many choices.
Oh yeah. The price difference was unbelievable. There was a 22-ish foot tandem van for $99,000 and then one for over $300,000. And of course, we went to the Jayco stand to have a good look.
So 50 years for Jayco in this industry is a fantastic achievement. Just goes to show they must be doing something right, eh?
Yeah, that's right. I'm not sure of their market share in Australia, but I think they're definitely the biggest caravan manufacturer. We'll clear that up when we visit the factory. Yeah, next week. So Jayco now has a steel toy hauler trailer, which looks pretty out there and is probably more suited to the more adventurous camper.
Yeah, I can't see Greg or I climbing up the ladder to go to sleep. But yeah, an all-steel camper from Jayco.
Yeah, that's cool. The other interesting thing was their JTEC 2 air suspension for the Outback models coming out shortly. Has auto leveling, I believe, as an option. Wow, well, that's an option box I would definitely tick. That's all right with you, Sam.
Maybe, we'll see. The other very exciting thing is that Jayco are going to the latest projector systems, and we attended a great presentation on these upgrades.
And they have a new 48-volt system, which really interested us. Well, actually just me, really, yeah.
I was quite interested as well. And of course, as Silverline owners, we had to have a look through the latest Silverline. This is a pretty cool picture. So I'm opening the fridge to get a beer out for Greg.
Yeah,
There you go, Greg.
lovely.
But I can also sit down here and, oh look, I can open the fridge to get a beer out for Greg. You can open both sides.
Lovely, very good, very good. So this is the new Silverline, Sandy. What do you like about it?
I actually really like it. Yeah. It's got the double opening fridge again.
Nice.
The bathroom looks good. I actually quite like the smaller mirror.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay.
Because our one's just got the big huge mirror, basically just for a wall, really.
Yeah.
But that mirror is actually a feature in there rather than part of the wall.
Yeah.
I quite like that. I love the wood.
Yep.
I love that on my side I would actually have some cubbies.
Yeah.
And also there's some cupboards here in the kitchen.
Yeah, which
I
right.
can put coffee and tea and all that sort
Odds
of
and
stuff
ends,
in.
yeah.
Nice big cupboard there.
Yeah. Huge.
Also like these cupboards too, they're uniform, they're both symmetrical, so they're both exactly the same cupboards on both sides.
Yeah.
Whereas ours is two different cupboards.
Cool.
Well, the salespeople we encountered were great. There were so many caravans. I understand there's about 200 caravan manufacturers in Australia.
Yeah, huge.
And half of them were there.
Yeah. And about 1 million vans on the road, so yeah, a big industry. So here are some of the vans that we looked at. So, Tandy, what do you think of this caravan?
Yes, pretty good, but there's a cooktop. It's what I think it's a bench here.
Yeah, it's a great amount of bench, isn't it?
There's a cooktop.
We've had houses with smaller benches than that. Hold it, try on the drawer. Oh, there you go. And that comes
So
out,
they'll
does it?
come up here.
Yeah, while you're cooking. That's quite a good idea.
Yeah.
Quite a good idea. Yeah,
Lots of cupboard space.
yeah, lots of fantastic stuff here, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
And, you know, upgrades are always, you know, on the table, aren't they?
Well, your table maybe.
Yeah. So I'm thinking about upgrading the ute
Okay.
to something like this. Look at that. That would tow our caravan and we could sleep all our children.
We could, yes. There was also 2 very large areas for all the van accessories and everything to do with camping and caravanning. Surprisingly, we didn't purchase much, mainly because we can't really get it back in our bags.
Yeah. What do we got here?
Well, I just can't believe it when you bump into New Zealanders in Melbourne. There's just something else, something magic happens. And then we find that there's a pie being cooked in this little oven here, this air fryer. Can you believe that?
No, I can't.
In this town, we will not tolerate incoherence.
We ran into a lot of Kiwis while we were over at the show, even some from Palmy North.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And half of New Zealand's here. What the? We also got to talk to the legends that are the lifestyle pioneers. Sandy had a fantastic chat with Liz.
One of my best interviews ever.
Yeah, and I managed to record it with no sound.
I have no words. Literally, I have no words because you couldn't blooming hear them anyway. So I asked Liz, where is a must-go place in Australia? She answered very patiently about all of the Australian coast, especially Western Australia, but said the must-go-to place was the centre of Australia, where the real Australia is.
Yeah. She also said that if you really want to see Australia, you need four-wheel drive. Anyway, sorry about the no sound, it would have been fantastic.
I know. But if you're thinking about doing the Aussie thing, have a look at their channel, The Lifestyle Pioneers.
Yeah, very cool name. Really exciting bit, the new innovations out there. A solar awning. Wow, just wow. This is a game changer. By fitting a new awning, you can at least sort of double your solar capacity. No significant increase in weight, and it includes LED lights. Wow!
LED lights, wow. So I'm very excited. Greg had a quick, well not so quick chat to Richard from Award RV.
Yeah. So we are here at the Melbourne Caravan Show with Richard. And Richard, we've got some sort of special awning going on here.
Yeah,
What? Talk to me about that.
It's a solar awning. It's a 1200 watt peak solar panel. It's attached to the awning. It rolls out, rolls in. Has been tested up to 10,000 times. The test is still going.
Wow.
It's got lights pre-fitted, 3 different lights, one in the drum and one in the back here. We've got the anti-mosquito or anti-bug light. We've got the white light and the warm white light.
Wow.
Currently, we've got our live little preview here. We're currently doing 1,052 watts, or 1,086 is still climbing. We've been in pretty thick cirrus clouds all day.
Yeah, we have. Wow, that's pretty. This is obviously going to be. It's going to be an added extra to a lot of vans, I would think, in the future. Yeah.
So you can have it pre-fitted by your manufacturer, or you can come see us at Ferntree Gully and have one fitted there.
Great, man. Thanks for your time,
No
mate.
worries, thank
cool,
you.
mate. Now, this bit of kit might not have to wait for my next van. When we're back in New Zealand, I'll be measuring it up to see if we can make it happen.
Now our friends at One Key have some new stuff on the market, so we had a chat to Jamie.
Yeah. Hey, so we're here with Jamie from One Key, and boy, they've got some stuff on show here. You having a good show?
Yeah, it's been a great show so far.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. What do you got to show us?
Yeah, so our Talon high security range, so the pink key that you might have seen, there's 40,000 odd users of that system already. So
Wow.
that does your DO30 45 coupling locks, and on the same key you can expand to do things now like either boss jockey
Wow.
or trailer mate.
Yeah.
Battery boxes, which
Yeah.
ordinarily have nothing
That's
on
right.
a padlock, which can easily be tampered with.
That's right.
Max tracks, American hitches,
Oh, wow.
whale tails, and the list goes on. So,
Wow.
yeah, one key on a high security key for all of those locks.
Yeah, and that, did you say that key's registered to?
Yeah, so it's registered to the user, so you can't get keys cut or additional locks without showing it.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
That's cool. Very cool. Thank you, Jamie.
What a great idea. I've been thinking about how to secure my boss jockey wheel. Thanks, guys.
Toilets. We're always talking about toilets.
In fact, one of my next videos is all about toilets.
One of the presentations at the show was the next generation in RV.
Sanitation solutions.
Yes.
We all know that Thetford is big in the toilet sector, and in my opinion, their stuff performs very well.
So one of the things that limit off-grid living is the cassette being full. So they have created a new system that does away with the cassette and goes to a larger black tank with a choppy thing toilet.
Macerated toilet.
Macerator.
But for me, the good bits are the way things are emptied. No mess, and they use the grey water to rinse the black tank, dumping off everything at the same time.
It was a really good presentation, and we will put a link in the description to the slideshow. Margin was a great presenter and came all the way from Thetford head office in the Netherlands.
Yeah. We met her after the presentation, and she was very passionate about the new system. She even invited us to the Thetford factory.
She did. So there we go, another trip to Europe.
We'll see. Marianne says not available for Caravans as yet, but they are working on it, and it looks like it wouldn't be something that you could sort of retrofit, but I'm pretty sure my future vans will have this system. Longer off-grid, no mess, it might even become a pink job.
Oh, I don't think so. There was all sorts of other stuff. Slide-out solar panels.
Yeah. A wind turbine to keep the batteries charged, a gun safe built into the van, a new Garmin control panel that looked very cool. So much stuff I didn't even know we needed.
No, we probably don't. We spent 1.5 days at the show, and I'm sure we didn't actually see everything, did we?
No, we're going to come back.
No, maybe. Oh, no. Next year. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We definitely enjoyed coming over here and making it, didn't we?
We did. Yeah, we had a great time. And next week we will have our Jayco tour video up, so look out for that. That'll be good.
Thanks for watching.
See you out there.
Tonight